Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best Meat Grinder Kitchen Chopper Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Efficient 500W electric meat grinder with large 5L stainless steel bowl quickly minces meat, blends vegetables, and prepares stuffing with precision. 5 speed settings offer versatile control for coarse or fine results. Durable sharp blades, stable base, low noise operation.
Number 3.
Powerful motor. Equipped with a powerful motor, this machine efficiently processes meat and vegetables, saving you time. Versatile application. Whether you're preparing a meal for a small family or a large gathering, this versatile kitchen tool can handle it all. Safe to use. Designed with safety in mind, this meat grinder avoids high-concerned chemicals.
Number 2.
Powerful 800W3L electric meat grinder with stainless steel bowl handles chopping, grinding, slicing, and mixing tasks efficiently. Multifunction food processor processes meat, vegetables, fruits, and nuts quickly. Durable sharp blades ensure fine texture. Easy one-touch operation, detachable parts for fast cleaning, perfect for home.
Number 1.
Powerful 3-gear electric meat grinder with durable stainless steel blades efficiently minces meat, chops vegetables, and blends ingredients. Compact multifunction kitchen chopper works as food processor, mixer, and garlic crusher. Easy one-touch control, low noise operation, detachable parts for quick cleaning.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.